Class 10 children, today we will start the revision of median. So we have two types of formula for median. One is for even observation and the second one is for odd observation. So let us start. What is even observation and what is odd observation? I am going to explain that, and accordingly I am going to use the formula. So here is the question. I have a question number 3 here. The following table shows the marks obtained by 41 students of a class. So there are 41 students in a class and their marks, how much they have obtained in their examinations, what are their marks. There is one row for them. Marks obtained row I can see here, 20 marks. There are 10 students who have scored 20 marks. 15 marks, there are 2 students. There are 5 students who have scored 17 marks. 4 students have scored 30 marks. 12 students have scored 22 marks. And 8 students have scored 25 marks. So if you count all these numbers, it is 40, because frequency means number of students. Now question is, find the median of marks obtained. That means you have to find median marks. Means you have to find median. So you need not write this sentence, just to make you understand they have given. So directly you write solution and start. Marks obtained also can be written X. We say such columns also we name as class mark. So marks obtained I write X. Frequency we should write F. And you can see here the marks have been arranged in ascending order. Here it is given randomly, but the same marks have been arranged in ascending order. Like 15 comes first, second is 17, ascending order, and 20 is the next marks, and 22, 25, 30. So same column here arranged in ascending order. Now 15, for 15 frequency is 2, same thing here. For 17 frequency is 5, same here. That means when we arrange this, automatically frequency column also we have to arrange and write the way it is written in the question. Now one more column is very important for median, that is called cumulative frequency, or in shortcut we write CF. Now first 2 of frequency we write same. Next what we do, this 2 and this 5 we add. 2 plus 5 is 7. Next 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. That means in a diagonal way we add. Diagonal means little bit slanting way we have to add. 29 when we take, we have to come to 8. 8 plus 29 is 37. 37 plus 4 is 41. So this 41, as you know, it is the observation of 41 students. Same 41 has come here. Now 41 is n. Here 41 is called n, and n is 41, which is a odd number. So when there is odd, median formula is like this. Median equal to n plus 1 by 2 th term. N is 41. 41 plus 1 by 2 th term. Now 41 plus 1 is 42. 42 by 2 is 21. 21th term. So what is the 21st term here? We have to know from cumulative frequency. Now 21st term means 2 means first term and second term is here. That is 15 marks. 7 means as it is stopped in 2. So 7 means 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Till 7th term is 17. 17 means 8th term to 17th term is 20. And 29 means as it has stopped in 17. So 18th term to 29th term is 22. So we have to take 21 term. 21st term. So 21st term, 21 term will come here at 29, because it begins from 18th to 29th. So from 18 to 29 only 21 comes. So that's why our answer will be 22. We don't write the answer of this column. We have to check from here and we have to come to first column. And in first column, 21st term is 22. So 22 is our answer. This was for children odd. Let me explain for even. So calculate the median marks, and as you can see, 20, 50, 60, 70, 90, 95, these are the marks. Number of students, frequency is 4, 8, 6, 10, 5, 5. Good news is that children, here all the marks have been arranged in ascending order, so we need not arrange here. So in the solution, same thing we wrote as it was in the question. Marks and frequency column same we wrote because we need not arrange. It is in ascending order already given in the question. Now CF, you know, this 4 we write same. 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 10 is 28, 28 plus 5 is 33, 33 plus 5 is 38. So till this portion rule is same for even and odd, but when we see 38 here, we have to write n equal to 38, which is even. In last question it was odd, now it is even. That's why for even, median formula changes. Median equal to n by 2 th term plus n by 2 plus 1 th term whole divided by 2. As you know, n is 38. 38 by 2 th term plus 38 by 2 plus 1 th term whole divided by 2. 38 by 2 is 19th term. Divided 19th term. 38 by 2 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20th term whole divided by 2. When we reach to this portion, we have to check 19th term and 20th term from this cumulative frequency. I can say 19th term and 20th term will fall here because 18 is the last number here. 18 means 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 till 28th term will fall at this column. So 28th term, if I check in the marks, it is 70. So 19th term also is 70, 20th term also is 70 because 18 to 28th term is 70. 70 plus 70 by 2, 140 by 2. 140 by 2 is 70 marks. So our answer will be 70 marks. So children, check it out for even and odd how to do, and same question I have given as homework. Please do it. Thank you children.